Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about the impact of robots on our lives. From factory automation to personal assistance, robots are becoming an increasingly common part of our daily routines. But what exactly is their impact and how are they shaping our world? Segment 1. Factory automation. Let's start with the factory floor. Robots have been used in manufacturing for decades, and their impact on the industry has been huge. They've allowed companies to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and produce products at a faster pace. But the rise of automation has also led to job losses, as robots replace human workers. So, what does this mean for the future of work? Segment 2. Personal assistance. Next up, let's take a look at personal assistance robots. From voice-activated home assistants like Amazon's Alexa to robots that help with household chores, these machines are becoming more and more advanced. They're designed to make our lives easier and more convenient. But at what cost? Are we becoming too reliant on technology? And what happens when it fails us?
Segment 3. Robotics in Healthcare.
Robots are also making a big impact in the healthcare industry. From surgical robots that assist doctors in performing delicate procedures, to rehabilitating robots that help patients recover from injury. Robots are revolutionizing the way we think about medicine. But with any new technology, there are also potential risks and ethical concerns that need to be considered. That's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning about the impact of robots on our lives. Let us know in the comments what you think about this topic, and be sure to tune in